Who are you? And why? Why you just looking stare at me? With your teeth grown guy has red face on me. That's right, you're goddamn you Tommy dumbest boy of Roblox kid. I am Boris to motherfucking of big teeth guy here. And I threw you can go business theme to shitty ass is outdated. Well, I guess I have to use requestly to be used comedy world as there is own myself. And not yours. Why did you coming for this? Because it that fucking any kind of classic style was outdated and you just kidding and fucking got hacked about keep shit used requestly on Google Chrome to this video? How the fuck am I watching that video for shitty ass this place? Well, this is just a testing on green screen to use business theme and classic right here. And guess what Boris the teeth guy? What is it now? How about just like cloud a new one? Show me. This. Holy shit. You sound like an alien of eater. I need this get the fuck out of here because he going to eat me. And stay out of here you loser. What should I do think I will coming to appearance? To be continued. Well, I guess that my test is completed. Must be goes later to work business theme animation director myself.